Alright, what's going on, guys? Hope you're all having a great day today. We're gonna be doing the ethanol gauge, ethanol sensor today. Look at it. Just look at it. Oh shit, Darren, we got Darren in the building! Big Darren in the building! You can't even lie, that cubby mount is too fucking fire. There is the part number for you. Alright guys, so here's what comes in the kit. You have your Continental ethanol sensor, quick disconnects, and the part number is 800-085. And you got this, which runs from the sensor, route this cable through the firewall into your gauge. Then you're gonna have to pick up some ATO fuse tabs. So you have it like this. You're gonna put the spare fuses that they provide, put that on the right side slot. Then you're gonna take out your 20 amp factory fuse, put it in this slot, and then just put that there. And then you're gonna crimp that to the power wire on the gauge, and we are good to go. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're gonna take out the battery so we have some space to route the cable through the firewall into the car. Stick it through that grommet with the main harness and pull it through the other side. Use like a coat hanger or something like that. Tape it together, stick it through. Yep. Alright guys, letting the pro Darren. Well, you just took off the hose from the high pressure fuel pump right here, and then we're gonna get the sensor in there somewhere along that fuel line. Routed it under, sensor, plumbing that up. Then we can go into the car and crimp up the ground and power wires. Fuse tap is right there, the bottom right of the green 30 amp. So the red is gonna go with the red. This black is gonna ground up there to that 10 mil nut right there. All right guys, got the battery reconnected. Moment of truth. Ooh, let's go. All right guys, we got it in. Took like an hour or so. Just that grommet is different from a DSG to a manual, so be aware of that. Boom. All right guys, so that wraps it up for this video. We got the gauge installed, everything's running good. I absolutely love the location. Super stealth, you can close it, won't even be there. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications for future videos, and stay tuned for the next video.